How to create a to-do list in Canva. You can see here I have created this using Canva 3 version. This is a simple 6x9 to-do list notebook. On the top I have written to-do list, and there is to-do list on the right hand side. And there are top priorities, and then there is a section for notes. You can see here to-do list your daily tasks, and there is top priorities, and there is notes. You can use this to create a to-do list notebook to publish on Amazon KDP, use it for yourself, or sell it as a digital download. So stick around, I will show you the step-by-step process how to do this. So first of all, you need to go to canva.com, then click on the create a design here, and then custom size 6x9. Before doing this, we need to select inches here, and then 6 width and height is 9 inches. Then click on create design. This will take you to a blank page, and you can go to the text tool here, go to add a heading and write to do list. You can select any font. I'm going to select this one. Then you can duplicate this text. Select this text while holding Alt key. Just drag it and reduce its size like this, 11 or 12. Then you can go to the elements, you can type shapes, and here you can select this one. Fill is blank and our border is line, and the thickness is 1. Okay, now we can reduce the size. 0.2 is width and 0.2 is height of this. Then you can go here and search line, and here is the line shape. This will add a line here. You can place it here, and then go to this bar here and reduce the thickness to 1. Okay, now we are done with the very simple line. Just make sure it is smaller than the center. There is the center, and just a little smaller than the center. Place it here. Select both of these, and then Ctrl+G from your keyboard to group. Now simply you can drag while holding the Alt key from your keyboard. Just drag and place it like here. Now all you need to do is press Ctrl+D from your keyboard as many times as many lines you want to add. Ctrl+D, this is duplicating them. Keep duplicating. Ctrl+D, Ctrl+D, and here we go. Okay, we have created our first line of this to-do list notebook. Just remove the bold. Okay, now we can duplicate this Ctrl+D and place it like here. This is our top priority. Okay, and reduce the size to 11. Select the font that is appropriate to you. Now go here, Ctrl+D, and move this line here just below this. Just drag it while holding the Alt key and place it here. Then Ctrl+D, add 9 or 10 lines like this. Now you can go here and duplicate this or copy this, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, and then move this down here and write notes, or you can write my notes here. Now take this line, Ctrl+D, and place it just below this one. This, click on this, drag while holding the Alt key and place here, and then press Ctrl+D from your keyboard as many times as many lines you want to add. Ctrl+D, D, and D. Now we have created very simple to-do list notebook. If you want to, you can change the font for this and select a script font if you want to. All you need to do is write script here, or you can click on any suggestions like this. This is saying handwriting, and click on this and it will show you our handwritten fonts. You can click any of these fonts. Like this is Canva student font. If you want to use this one, you can use, which is looking very good. Also select any other font like this one or any other handwritten font like this one. It is up to you how you are satisfied with the look and feel of your notebook. Zoom out and select this whole area just to fine tune this. Move it a bit toward the top. Now you can see your to-do list notebook here. So this is the page 1 or first page. Just duplicate this as many times as many pages you want to add. Just click on here, duplicate. There are 2 pages now. Or you can go to the grid view here and then Ctrl+D, duplicate, Ctrl+D, Ctrl+D. Now we have 5 pages. Select the first one, hold the shift key, select the last one. All pages are selected, Ctrl+D. Now we have 10 pages. Ctrl+A to select all, Ctrl+D to duplicate, and we will quickly have 20 pages. In this way, you can effortlessly create up to 100 pages inside Canva. So this is all from me today. I hope you will love this video. This is a very simple video to create a KDP interior inside Canva for free. Like and subscribe to my channel for more useful videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.